NEO, and welcome to Camp SugarBush. Camp SugarBush is located in Trumbull County. It features a lake, a pool, low ropes, an indoor target sports range, and many unique cabins and outdoor units. Let's go take a look. Here we are at the lake at Camp SugarBush. We have canoes and kayaks that you can use when you're here. You can also fish at the lake. Take a good look at the lake now. Maybe you'll hear a frog or two. This is the Stargazer Cabin at Camp SugarBush. Come on in. Here we are inside the Stargazer Cabin. We have mattresses here that you pull out to sleep on the floor, and there's tables and chairs that you bring out for program activities and to eat your meals. Your kitchen is here. There's a stove, a refrigerator, 2 indoor bathrooms, a water fountain. The cabin is heated, and of course, there's a fire circle outside. Our next stop is Shady Nook. Come on in. Here we are inside Shady Nook. Shady Nook has 2 separate rooms, mattresses on the floor to sleep in, fireplace in this room and fireplace in that room, tables and chairs for program activities and for dinner. This cabin has heat, it has air conditioning, indoor restrooms, and indoor showers. Follow me. Here we are in the kitchen, full kitchen, refrigerator, oven, coffee pot, all the amenities of a kitchen. Now's a good time to do our craft. Today we're going to do God's eyes. What you need are 2 sticks. Popsicle sticks are good, or you can go out in your backyard and get 2 sticks, 2 or 3 different colors of yarn, and a pair of scissors. How do we start this? We get your sticks and we put them in a cross form. Hold the 2 sticks together with your thumb and forefinger. By holding the sticks, you're going to wrap the yarn around the sticks diagonally. So give me a second here. Okay, do it a couple times this way. Bring it over, do a couple of times this way. Sorry. Bring it around, do it a couple more times this way. Okay, after you have that done, you're going to wrap the yarn around one side of the stick, carry it over diagonally, go under, go behind again, go to the next side of the stick, go under and over, go to the next side, go under and over, go to the next stick, and and so forth. Whoop, sorry there. I'm not the best craft person in the world. Okay, once you decide you have enough of that color, you're going to tie the two pieces of yarn together, and then you're going to change colors. Okay, you can use as many colors as you want. At the end, this is what your God's eye is going to look like. Good luck. Here we are at the lodge or the dining hall at Camp SugarBush. We're going to go in 1 second. But while we're here, check out the big lodge pavilion that's available for you also here at camp. Here we are inside the lodge or the dining hall at Camp SugarBush. Tables and chairs for programs and cooking. You can also rent this out with mattresses and sleeping on the floor. It has bathrooms, indoor bathrooms, and showers, and a full commercial kitchen. Let's check out the kitchen. Kitchen has stove, griddle, refrigerator, freezer, automatic dishwasher, pots and pans, mixer, everything you need to feed your group of people. Right outside of the lodge and dining hall is a great big fire circle at Camp SugarBush. And camp wouldn't be camp unless you have a s'more, so let's make one. I got my roasting stick. I'm going to put 2 marshmallows on there. And I'm going to toast them. Always remember when you're by a fire to keep fire safety. If you have long hair, keep your hair back. Stay far enough away from the fire. And make sure you're not going to poke anybody or get these marshmallows poking at anybody. Get these marshmallows nice and toasty. The property manager, Doug, made this fire for us today. If he's somewhere around, we'd introduce you, but I have no idea where he is right now. Some people like their marshmallows burnt. I particularly don't like them burnt. So mine are kind of just the way I like them right now. So, I'm going to come over here. Get my graham cracker. Get a Hershey bar. Put my Hershey bar on my cracker. I'm just going to use one of my marshmallows right now. Get my marshmallow here with my other graham cracker. Smush it on. Here we are at Rock Ledge, one of our outdoor units at SugarBush. It's called a permatent unit, and what that means is there's cabins with canvas fronts and canvas backs. Common place between all 3 of the cabins. You open up the canvas, and there's 4 sets of bunk beds. So every one of these cabins sleep 8 girls. This unit also has a pavilion with a fireplace. And like all our outdoor units, it also has a regular fireplace outside. Fire circle outside. There's another unit called Green Trees at Camp SugarBush, which is exactly like this unit, only instead of 3 cabins, it has 4. unit at Camp SugarBush. There are 8 covered wagons in this unit. Each sleeps 4 persons. Usually the covered wagon tops are on, but it's been a little rainy this spring. We haven't had any time to get those up yet. The unit also has a fire circle, has a pavilion with a grill. Welcome to Savannah. Savannah has 8 structures on it that sleep 4 people each. Structures are located on a concrete floor with a wooden roof. The sides and front are made out of, what's the word am I thinking of?
Canvas?
Canvas! Made of canvas, and the front and back open up and the sides roll up. This unit also has a beautiful outdoor fire ring, a pavilion with a grill. Welcome to the indoor target sports range at Camp SugarBush. Wait till you check this out. Check out the indoor range. We run archery and air rifle programs in here. Isn't it a great location? You can do archery in the rain, or in the snow, or at any time during the year. Well, that's about it for our tour at Camp SugarBush. Remember, you can get a day pass anytime to walk around the camp property. Oh, one more thing. Remember, before you leave Camp SugarBush, don't forget to stop by the photo tree and get your picture taken. Like this.